Hi there, in this video I will show you how to change email address on Manychat. So for this, log into your account. After logging in left side we have the settings option. Click on it. So as you can see, if in general I scroll down, so there we don't find any option of email, because if you log into Manychat, you cannot log in with your Google account. You need to log in with your Facebook or your Instagram account. So as you can see in left side we don't have any option. Then if I scroll down, so there we have channel section where you will find different social media platforms like Instagram, Messenger, SMS, emails, etc. So here if I scroll down and click on email, so there you can see we can only connect email if we have paid version of Manychat. So there we have their plan, which is inbox and marketing animation and Manychat AI. So if you buy their plan, then you can connect email here. Otherwise, there is no option to change or add email. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.